for quick delivery. 138. Knocks him off his feet.
Early days in the career, it used to happen with the old ball, and now he's doing with the new ball. Brilliant delivery.
Well, you say that this was reverse swing.
No, I didn't say it was reverse swing.
Looked like it to me. If you see the seam,
Massive controversy. Beautifully bowled. Great Yorker, but toughened us in. Considerable amount of pain there. That was a very, very swift delivery.
Well, it was swift and it was swinging in right onto his toe. And it didn't get him out, but it's to be hoped it didn't do any real lasting damage. I've seen people break a toe that way, a full toss straight onto it.
So on one over, waqar Younas, the great Pakistani fast bowler, has captured both openers.
The waqar Younas Yorker before, and you won't see a better one than this. That's done Brian Young for length and pace, and look where he's ended up. A little bit embarrassing, but fantastic delivery from Younas. Right on target. Young is gone.
They bowled him! That's a Yorker. Eruption of emotion here, and waqar Younas, who is definitely going to be one of potentially the greats of the game, really ripping that one from the start. What is
bowled him. There's that swinging Yorker. He's having a magnificent spell into the wind, waqar Younas, and Perori beaten all ends up.
He's enjoying himself. waqar Younas is getting those in-dipping Yorkers on the toes, and that was beautiful Yorker from swinging Yorker from waqar Younas.
Bowled. There is just no way that the tail end can play those sort of deliveries.
You know, it's not just the pace or the direction or the swing, really. It's just the three of them put together. If it was a straight ball, you could possibly put your bat on it. If it was only 60 miles an hour, you could possibly do the same. But swinging as well to the tail ender, you got to feel sorry for Corky there.
Angling back there, my word, this in-swinging Yorker, it really is a killer delivery. Straight as an arrow for the first two-thirds, and then the in-swing, and at the pace that's bowled at, makes it very difficult for a new batsman to...
Bowl him, the middle stump is lying back, and doesn't he do that often? He runs in and lets it go. It hits the block hole, and when it does, it's very, very difficult.
Yorker spot on the middle stump. This is an in-swinging Yorker. He's knocked it out of its hole.
Bowled him. Perfect Yorker. That really is a waqar special.
Well, we're seeing here some wonderful cricket. That Yorker that he's famous for was absolutely perfectly bowled. Straight in. Really didn't swing at all. And probably as well, because when he bowled one that swung just before tea,
delivery that had waqar Younas written all over it. A Yorker on the leg stump. Brian Lara tried to get away from it, couldn't get the bat down in time, and an absolutely remarkable delivery gets rid of one of the finest batsmen in the world. So good earlier in the over, bowled by waqar Younas. Just watch that delivery. virtually 100 miles an hour, and Brian Lara was all over the place of Brian Lara. What a terrific delivery.